So in this video, I am going to show you how to make a 3D model from photogrammetry. So the photogrammetry, essentially photogrammetry is when you take a photos of an object or a person from a different angle and then you put it in a program. You can use MESHROOM or you can use other programs that support photogrammetry, and then you put the photo in there in the program and then you can run it and then it's going to produce a 3D mesh for you. So in this case now I'm going to use MESHROOM. It is easy to use and also it is a free application. You can just download the application here. You can just type in MESHROOM download and then you can go here and just download MESHROOM for your computer. And as for the tutorial, if you don't know how to use MESHROOM, you can Google MESHROOM tutorial and then you can see here some of the tutorial on how to use MESHROOM and also some tricks on how to take the picture so that MESHROOM can read your picture and can make the 3D model for you. So I am going to jump right into it. So I have taken a picture of my friends yesterday and she's going to be my model here, and I am going to see if these photos, because it is better for you to take a lot of pictures, maybe hundreds of pictures, because it gives you more possibility for the MESHROOM to create a good detailed model if you have a lot of photos of the object that you want to make. But in this case I'm having maybe roughly around 50 pictures and we'll see if this works. If you take the pictures outside when the sun is still out, so that you can have a really good light in your picture. So you drag your image here. So it will show you the pictures here, and then I am going to start. And then first you have to save it. I'm going to save it here and just give it a name, 3D model. And then I put a start, and then I'll be waiting for them to create the 3D here. So checking back, this is the process right now. If you see here, it's actually on the process of depth map. So here, so this is the process right now, and it needs more process before it can show the full mesh here. And then if you can see here, it already has some model that you can see, but because it's still in the process, you cannot see the full model, but it's in the process of doing it. So if it's already past this process, this structure from motion, I guess your model is ready to go. So you can just wait until the process is done. So here, after the whole process is finished, you can see that the last bar here, the texturing bar, have green lines to it. So it means that the process is done. So in order for you to be able to see your mesh here, you click the texturing box, double click it, and then it's going to give you a preview of your model here. But in this case, I found out that all the photos here, it has a movement because of the wind. So if you see here, the clothes, the pants here, and the hair, they are moving because of the wind, and it's not good for your photos because they are not going to be able to read it. So it will have like holes like this, like that. So it's better for you if you take it somewhere that doesn't have wind so that it can give detail. So if you see here as a proof that the fit here, it has quite a good detail because the foot part, it doesn't move in every photo. That's the only part of the body that doesn't move because of the wind. So it was able to read your photo as well as the grass here. So the trick is, if you want to take a picture outside, make sure that the wind isn't going to mesh with your model. But yeah, that's it. That's how you create a 3D mesh using photogrammetry MESHROOM. And then after you have it, you can right click here, and then you can choose open folder. Here the texture mesh, this is your 3D mesh. So you can export it to 3ds Max, and then you can edit it, give it a skin and a bones. So this is to quickly show you if you have a pictures of an object or a person that is constant, that is not moved by the wind, the MESHROOM will be able to read the detail. So it will show you the full detail of your object. So the trick is, don't take pictures where the wind can move your object, because it's not going to show parts of your object, which will be bad if you want to refine it in 3ds Max and give it material and print it in 3D printing. So for this experiment, because I wasn't able to generate a model from my photogrammetry, next I'm going to show you how to create bones and skin and material in a person using a basic object that I can find from the internet. So yep, that's it.